The Ministry of Health is reporting a decrease in people testing positive for COVID-19. Confirmation came from Ministry of Health Epidemiologist Dr. Avery Hinds on Monday during a virtual COVID-19 update. Dr. Hinds said following a spike from a cluster of cases within the prison system, less people are testing positive for the virus.
To what we might refer to as spikes that actually correspond to increased cases arising out of the cluster from the prisons. The 7-day average over the last few days has now begun to drop back to the normal, or back to what is baseline at this point in time for our population, which is about 30 cases per day.
Dr. Hinds again urged citizens not to make plans to gather over the Christmas season. He said the Health Ministry is instead encouraging people to connect remotely to safeguard against spreading the COVID-19 virus.
That as we move into the festive season, the Christmas season, we do want to continue to encourage all members of the public to avoid what we would traditionally do with regard to having gatherings, office limes, household limes. We want to reduce the risk of bringing webs of people together, and in so doing, we want to reduce the risk of transmission of this virus from people who may not know that they are ill.
The Ministry of Health has reported 9 new cases of COVID-19. This brings to 778 the total number of active positive cases of the virus so far. There were no reported deaths today. 42 patients are being treated at hospital.